My present topic is isotopes. Just to relate this topic isotope with the everyday life example and to use an analogy, I am giving you an example. Fruits come in different varieties. For example, mangoes, which is a tropical fruit, come in the market in different varieties. Mango varieties can differ in shape, size, color, aroma, taste and texture. Just as mangoes come in different varieties, a chemical element can come in different varieties called isotopes. In this section, I shall discuss how one isotope of an element differs from another. Just to explain my point of view about isotopes and just to illustrate my point of view about isotopes, I am giving and selecting a chemistry example, and I am selecting an element carbon. Carbon comes in three varieties: carbon 12, 13, 14. As mangoes come in different varieties, carbon come in different varieties. So it is the 12, 13, 14, but 6 remains common, 6 remains same. This is the proton number. When the proton number remains same, it is the same element, and that is called carbon. But this is the nucleon number. So 12, 13, 14, these are the nucleon number, and the nucleon numbers are different. And there comes the definition of isotopes, that isotopes are the same element, and they are the same elements because they have the same proton number, and we already discussed that element is identified by the proton number. So the atoms of the same element having same proton number but different nucleon number are called isotopes. Isotopes meaning is that iso means same and topos means place,